Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Sandeep. I had attended sessions in the past with Manish and Nandish, and I came back for this session. Also suggested my friends to join. The most important aspect of Jagoinvestor, Manish and team is they are honest in what all they are sharing with the general public. They are not trying to promote or sell anything. They seem to be on a mission of financial awareness for the Indian or for the international crowd. It is then up to you what you want to do, how you want to make use of these sessions. As far as the sessions are concerned, everyone is extremely appreciative about the sessions. They are really an eye-opener. Even for those who feel that they have very good knowledge of financial investment, should come and attend these sessions and should refer more and more people who they honestly feel should grow in the financial aspect or in general in life. So very happy once again to meet Manish and the team, and certainly a very, very energetic and wonderful team you guys have.
What do you think about the financial health checkup tool?
The health checkup tool is absolutely a gem. I mean, I had not seen such kind of a tool any time before. It basically uncomplicates, or it makes it very, very easy to understand what are the various facets of your financial life. So extremely, extremely important, I would say. One must certainly make use of this specific tool. Thanks a lot.